The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, southern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday at 3:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen, with an additional heavy rainfall moving over this area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Atlanta, Lawrenceville.
Don't worry about the track. This is a major key for people living along the shore. Yeah, and not just
Avondale Estates, Grayson, Lafonia, Pine Lake, Tucker, Belvedere Park, North Decatur, Candler McAfee, Druid Hills, North Druid Hills, Mountain Park, and Belmont. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. If you see significant flooding, call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 3 p.m. in Atlanta, light rain and fog.